Afternoon, students. Today we will read about mineral and the energy resource. Before starting this, let me remind you about the previous video in which I have explained you about the human resources, principal resources of the world, including the agricultural resources, the pastoral resources, and today we will discuss about the mineral and the energy resources. So, mineral resources are extracted from deep on or surface of the earth by mining. This process is refined and transformed into finished product. Example like the iron ore, mica, etc. Some mineral like coal, petroleums or other abiotic resources like the solar energy, wind, water can generate power. They are termed as the energy resources. Both mineral energy resources and means both mineral and the energy resources are indispensable for the development of any country. So children, we can write here like the mineral resources. First of all we will write here like the mineral resources. A mineral resources is a concentration or occurrence of solid material of economic interest in or on the earth crust in such form, grade or quality and quantity that there are a reasonable prospect for eventual economic extraction is known as the mineral resources. So in a simple word we can write here like a mineral resources is a, I am writing here, you can see that a mineral resources are extracted from deep or surface of the earth by mining. They are proceeded refining. You can write this point also that they are proceeded refined and transformed into finished product, into the finished product. And you have to write one or two examples also, you can give it like the just now I have told you example like the iron ore, comma, mica, etc. So this is clear children up to here. It is the mineral resources. Now we come to our next point, that is the energy resources. Some minerals like the coal, petroleums or other abiotic resources like solar energy, wind, water can generate power. They are termed as energy resources. So in other words we can say it like this, that energy resources is something that can produce heat, power life or the move object or produce electricity. So I am writing here, you can see the second one is the energy resource. So we can write here that energy resource is something that can produce heat, power life, move object or produce electricity. Matter that store energy is also called as a fuel. So we can write here this point also, that Matter that stores energy is called a fuel. And we can also give the example of the energy resources also, like the coal, wood, oil, etc. So children, up to here it is clear. Mineral resources and the energy resources. Mineral resources are extracted from deep or surface of the earth by mining, and energy resources, we can say that energy resources are the resources that can generate the power. So this is clear up to here. Now here I am writing some of the question that you have to learn it. You can see here, these are the question. First one, what is mean by the human resources? Children, in the previous video, I have explained you about the human resources. Human being are considered as a human resources because he is the most important resources, because he is both the producer and consumer of all the other resources. Next question, give the meaning of the sustainable development. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserving them for the future is called sustainable development. Third question, water is a potential resources. How can we solve the problem of shortage of water? So we can write here like the solution of the shortage of water can be solved first from the house by using water smartly. For examples, like using tap water instead of using the shower for taking bath. The government should be create a water conservation systems to conserve rainwater. Conservation means how we can protect it, preserve it. Farmers should use rainwater in farms and trees. So these are the three question and answer that you have to learn it. Thank you, class.